Super excited today. We've got the plumbers here, MC Plumbing. We will have a half bath, nice toilet. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Nikos Property Show. Super excited today. We've got the plumbers here. MC Plumbing is out here, man. They brought all their folks and they are getting straight to work. They're getting this first house actually roughed in. They had that slab done for me super quick. One day, 3 houses. Now they're here. And I think in the next 2 days, they'll probably knock out all 3 houses here. Let's kind of go through the garage here. And you can see all the pipes on top of their trucks. They got all their fittings. They've got everything they need. And they're already full-fledged knocking this house out. I mean, they're working full speed. Look at all this, man. I mean, when they tell you they come super prepared, they've got everything they need. They got batteries on charge, they've got more stuff, they got fittings, they've got everything you can imagine, just in case they got to run over to a different job, whatever it may be, but they are here knocking it out. You got people running up and down the stairs, you got them drilling stuff. This is happening, and I'm super excited to be at this point. You can see them going underneath right here, cutting out where the Advantech is. We got those open web floor trusses so they can run their pipes through it much easier. We thought about doing I-joists, but then we would have had to cut through all of those. We couldn't do the regular ceiling joist, but a lot of noise going on in here. Let me get out of their way. They can keep working. We'll get progress, man, and this is gonna be great. Plumbing will be done in 2 days. We got HVAC coming, electrical coming. These houses are getting done quickly. So enough talking from me. Let's get them working. Alrighty, y'all, so we ran into a small situation where we've got HVAC running through chases. We've got plumbing that was running through the area where the HVAC was supposed to be. So Ezekiel had to come back, man, and use his brain power. We've all been trying to figure this out. So they're gonna have to move a few of the pipes, actually. One that's coming down from the vanity in the second floor. They're gonna move that over one area, one of the floor trusses there, and then they're gonna move the actual shower drain that's over here from this area over one floor truss as well. So then my HVAC guys will be able to run directly through these triangles, which is technically not where I put the chase in for them. The chase that we have for them is the nice squares there, as Paul's showing you. And unfortunately, just with how things work, man, this is construction. Things get in the way, you gotta figure it out. So we all got together, made sure that we could actually fit it. Where's that little tube thing that you had, Paul? It's over his neck. It's actually a necklace for him now. So we created a 12-inch diameter for what the actual ductwork is going to be. So literally you can see it's going to be able to fit through these triangles. It was supposed to go through there, but that's just a part of it. Now the plumbing pipes will take more of this space up. They'll be able to fit their ductwork through there, work it down to the other chase, and then we do have a chase on the other side of the house as well, behind the actual like utility room and everything like that. So it'll all work out. So let's get them doing more stuff.
All right, y'all, so we're here in the second story of the first house. The plumbers have almost the entire house done. The downstairs is done. They just brought this tub upstairs. They put it in. They're finishing up all the final connections now. Over here, we're gonna have a nice gray vanity in this bathroom and the master bathroom. And over here, we got the laundry room. They got that all completed, all finished. We're gonna have a nice navy vanity over here in case you gotta fold clothes, do whatever you gotta do. Washer dryer over here. Here we're walking into the master bedroom. Nice big open space, followed by a really big master bathroom. We got a nice gray vanity in here also. They're finishing up all the plumbing for the master shower. They're just gonna finish that up, and then they're gonna finish the house that they started in, that the other people are working on. And then once that's done, they're gonna come back tomorrow, finish the third house, and we're gonna keep it moving and watch them work.
Yo, check this out, man. Paul, come over here on this side, man. We got my man Jorge Antonio. We gave him a sticker. I did not know this was gonna end up on his truck. That's a real brother right there, man. Gracias por todo, man.
Okay.
Gracias. Okay. I told him one day he was doing a great job. He said, why? Yo, the language barrier is so hilarious to me. We're just out here working, man. The framers are finishing up. Love having great guys around, man. The crews are just working hard, but they literally don't speak any English. I speak basically what you call like Spanglish, if that's what you want to call it. A little bit of Spanish. Yeah, barely any Spanish, more so English, and then you kind of put a twist on it and you hope that they understand what you're saying. But that's enough of this, man. Just want to shout them out real quick. They're doing an awesome job. Black and White Construction. Appreciate you, Enrique, for sending me all my guys. Love everything that's going on, man. So let's get out of here. Alrighty, y'all, so we are back here in the morning. It's a nice, cool, brisk morning right now, and the guys are working on the last house, man. They have roughed in the plumbing for one house over here, and then they skipped this middle house because the framers were still working on it, and they did the third house over there. So last finishing touches, we'll kind of jump in over here. They're doing the same exact thing, but we'll stay out of their way and kind of show you from the garage view. They got all their stuff in here, all their fittings, the bathtub, that's gonna go upstairs. You saw that getting carried up earlier. They're gonna get all the water lines, all the PEX and everything ran through here, all the drainage up along that floor truss, and then basically they're gonna be done with this third one, man, and we are out of here. So I will give you a nice little house tour on one of the other ones that's already completely done so that you guys can get a feel of what the house is gonna be, where the bathrooms are, where the actual bedrooms are, where the kitchen is, where the dining area is, like just so you have a feel of this entire house. So not gonna do that right now. We gotta do some cleaning first, do a nice full clean. We love a clean job site. That is something that is just very important to me and my guys. So we're gonna do that, get that knocked out, and then basically we'll give you a nice house tour. Alrighty, y'all, so we have a special guest on site today again, man. This guy comes over, starts charging me all kinds of money. Hopefully he's giving me a good deal. He's writing something on his notepad there. We ain't gonna show that though. We can't show that. That ain't for the viewers, because then the viewers might want the prices that we get, so yeah, we ain't gonna do that. But this is Mr. Jackie here. Y'all saw J-Rod during the actual slab roughing part where I said the resemblance is uncanny. So this is Mr. Jackie. If you're just getting into the new show, Mr. Jackie, we appreciate you.
Oh,
everything y'all do for us at NC Plumbing, man. How long did you work with my brother?
Years.
I don't even know at this point. It's been,
he was young.
Yeah,
really young.
I know it's been at least 15-ish. At least 15 years. And now I'm building, and my other brother builds, and so we're all using it. But I appreciate you, sir. Thank you so much. And appreciate the amazing customer service. Call MC Plumbing. 423?
421.
421?
16.
16?
18.
18. Call now.
Thank you.
Alrighty, y'all, so the plumbers are finishing up with the last few things that they've got to get done. We had to rearrange a few pipes because the HVAC guys came by, checked everything, and they were like, man, we won't be able to get our ductwork through some of these chase areas if we don't get some of these plumbing pipes actually rerouted. So we did that, no problem. As long as you can find a solution, baby, nothing really matters. But anyways, here's this huge one-car garage. I want to do a nice little walkthrough in the house because we haven't done a nice official one. Imagine parking your beautiful vehicle in here. We have a nice white garage door right there, man, and this is pretty darn spacious. It's super long as well, but then I want to jump through that front door area with you, man. Can't wait to get the siding on this thing, cover up all this Tyvek, all this house wrap, man. But as we walk into the front right here, first thing on your left is going to be where you can put some shoes, maybe a few jackets and things like that. Have a little storage space right there. And then to your right, once you're done there, we will have a half bath, nice toilet, beautiful vanity in here, man. We're going to have LVP flooring. It's going to look phenomenal. Can't wait for that to get done. And then we'll just continue through the house. To my right here, the door's actually from the garage. This is where the water heater and the actual unit will be for the HVAC unit, the heating and air. And that's just going to be out of the way, so you won't even see it from inside the house. Check this out though, under stair storage, man. Gonna have a light in here, nice spacious area right here. If you got something you need to put, whatever it may be, everybody loves storage for some reason, because all we do is have more bedrooms, buy more stuff to fill more stuff with space that we don't need. So anyways, Paul, why don't you back up that way? I want to show y'all the depth of this room. This is super nice right here, man. I mean, this is going to be a beautiful electric fireplace right here, but check out what we're actually going to do. We're going to get this nice little brick stuff that's like brick paneling, and we're going to panel it all the way up. That's my vision right now. That's the goal. I talked to Paul about that. He was like, it's going to look dope. I think it's going to look dope. We like to do teamwork makes the dream work out here. So probably going to go all the way up with the brickwork right there. Going to look nice. We're going to put some shelves across on this side and on that side as well. So we'll have shelving. You can make it look as nice as you want to. And then as you spin around right here, check out this fresh light coming through these 3 huge windows, man. That's going to be beautiful right there. And then nice sliding door, and then a beautiful kitchen, man. We're going to have a nice island right here. That's going to be navy, and we'll drop some pictures in here so you can see what the bathrooms, the island, the kitchen, everything's going to look like. It's going to be nice white cabinetry up against the walls, nice refrigerator. Everything's going to be phenomenal. And then a nice cute little pantry right here, of course. Add a few things inside. Maybe you can't fit in the cabinet, or you just want to have some things stored away. We're going to jump up these stairs right here. Going to have some nice railings with the open concept right here so you can see through, and it creates that visual to where it feels bigger. So as I come up here and Paul follows me around, we will show you what this second story will look like. And it is gonna be great, man. We're gonna have a nice little knee wall right here. Cover this up with some drywall or sheetrock, whatever you may call it. And this is where the 3 bedrooms are. This right here will be the laundry room, the washer and dryer. And we're gonna add another cabinet right here, man. This is gonna be great. Can't wait for this room to be done, man. I love these nice little situations right here. And then we're gonna go into the master bedroom. Huge, huge space, man. Check this out. Amazing area to be able to put a nice bed. Then you've got your huge closet. Man, this is a nice area to be able to put the shelving in, put a door on it, and then just keep it moving. All kinds of space, baby. Going into the master bathroom. This is a double vanity, and we're actually gonna have a tile shower in here as well. That's gonna be beautiful. Probably a handheld, a nice little water coming out right there. That's gonna look amazing. And then I'm gonna jump into the actual guest bathroom and show y'all what that's gonna look like. It's a smaller vanity that kind of matches the half bath, and then we do have the tub / shower insert, so that's going to be nice. And I believe we are going with either navy or gray on the cabinets. They're on the sheets and everything like that. Just in my brain, there's so much going on, it's hard to remember. Then we have a nice little linen closet right here. Gonna put some towels or whatever you may need. And then the 2 bedrooms on the back side, they mirror each other. Nice closet on the inside of the bedroom right there. Beautiful window right there, getting all the fresh light. And then basically, y'all, we are gonna have an amazing house. Check this out. Look at this view. Imagine waking up in the morning and you're just looking out there. That is freaking phenomenal. Cannot wait to get some of these finishing touches on the inside, get the insulation done, the HVAC done, get the drywall on the walls, and then we are gonna have a beautiful home, and we are gonna sell all these things quick. I already know it looks so beautiful from the outside. So anyways, I hope y'all are enjoying this, man. I hope you enjoyed that walkthrough. That was a legitimate MTV Cribs walkthrough right there with Nikos Property Show. I love everything that's going on, but let's jump downstairs real quick. Alrighty, y'all, so we've got a lot of progress coming up. We've got HVAC in the works. We've got roofing coming. We got to get shingles on this thing, man. Get it covered up, get it out of the rain. We broke ground out here, dropping the first tree on March 23rd, and right now it is April 19th. I'm not sure if you can see that when we're actually filming this video, not releasing it. So guess what? We're not even 4 weeks in, and we are already all the way plumbing roughed in, HVAC on the way. Things are moving quickly. But regardless, if you did enjoy this video, please make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you follow us on all social platforms at Nikos Property Show. Make sure you check out nikos-school.teachable.com if you want to learn about real estate. Check out my course. It is a beginner's real estate course that you can learn a lot about. Without further ado, smile more, worry less, and stay blessed. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.